Aryan Singh from class 11C studying in Sri Sankara Senior Secondary School. Today's my presentation topic is matter. It is a basic concept of chemistry. So let's start our presentation. Matter. What is matter? Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Example: pen, pencil, toothbrush, water, milk are matter, as well as car, bicycle, bus is also a matter. The example which I given in front of you, that instruments or object we use in our day-to-day life. Next one. Matter are divided into three states: solid, liquid, and gas. So firstly, we are talking about solid. It has definite volume and definite shape. Solids are rigid body; it can't press easily. Example: rock and ice. Rock and ice are rigid body; it can't press easily. Diagram of solid. Solid particles are congested. Solids are not compressible. Look this diagram. Atom and molecules of solid are closely packed to each other. It can't move there and where. Second state of the matter is liquid. It has definite volume but not definite shape. It means it has a fixed volume but not a fixed shape. Liquids are fluid. It can flow easily. Example: milk and water. Milk and water take shape and size of anything or object we use in our daily life. Diagram of liquid. Liquid particles are not fully congested. Liquids are not compressible. Look this diagram. The liquid particles are not fully congested. These are not closely packed to each other. Liquids are not compressible. This gas, it has neither definite volume nor definite shape. It means it does not have a fixed volume or a fixed shape. Example: smoke. Smoke does not have a fixed volume and fixed shape. Diagram of gas. Gas particles are not congested. Gases are compressible. Look this diagram. The atom molecules of gas are not congested to each other. It can move there or where. It was freely moved. Next. Solid, liquid, and gas are interconvertible states. When solid form gas, this process is called sublimation. Sublimation. Solid are directly converted into gaseous state. This process is called sublimation. Sublimation is an endothermic process. Example: dry ice. Example in a statement: dry ice is a solid form of carbon dioxide. Burning of camphor. Next. When gas forms solid, this process is called deposition. Next. Deposition. Gases are directly converted into solid state. This process is called deposition. Deposition is an endothermic process. Example: frost. Example in statement: water vapor is directly converted into frost. Physical vapor is directly converted into film. When liquid forms solid, this process is called freezing. Freezing. Liquid is directly converted into solid particles. This process is called freezing. Freezing is an endothermic process. Example: snowfall. Example in statement: water to ice in an ice cube tray. Formation of snow. When solid form liquid, this process is called melting. Melting. Solid is directly converted into liquid state. This process is called melting. Melting is an exothermic process. Example: butter and wax. Example in statement: ice cubes directly converted into water. Butter in a hot pan. Next. When liquid form gas, this process is called vaporization. Vaporization. Liquid are directly converted into gaseous state. This process is called vaporization. Vaporization is an endothermic process. Example: evaporation and boiling. Example in statement: after the boiling, water is directly converted into vapor. The steam is rising from a hot cup of tea. Next. When gas form liquid, this process is called condensation. Condensation. Gas is directly converted into liquid state. This process is called condensation. Condensation is an exothermic process. Example: fog and cloud. Example in statement: clouds in the sky, morning dew on the grass. Matter are divided into two types: pure substance and mixture. Pure substance. Pure substance has fixed composition. Example: gold, water, glucose. Gold and water has fixed composition in a fixed ratio. Next. There are two types of pure substance. It means pure substance are divided into two types. First is element, second is compound. Next. Element, one type of atom are stable in a fixed ratio. Example, gold and silver. Gold and silver are that example in which self particles are presented. Next. Compound, more than one type of atom are stable in a fixed ratio. Example, water and sodium chloride. In water, H2 and O2 molecules are presented in a fixed ratio, and sodium chloride mixture. In mixture, two or more substances mixed in any ratio. Example, mud and cement. Mud and cement are that example in which the particles of mud and cement it is mixed with each other in any ratio. Next. Mixture are divided into two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Next. Homogeneous mixture, uniform composition throughout. Particles can't easily be separated. Example, sugar solution and salt solution. The particles of sugar and salt is easily dissolved in water. We can't separate it easily. Next. Example of homogeneous mixture, sugar solution and salt solution. Sugar and salt easily mixed with water, but we can't separate easily. Next. Heterogeneous mixture. It is a second type of mixture. Non-uniform composition throughout. In this process, non-uniform process is found. Particles can easily be separated. We can put it out from our hand. Example, muddy water and sand water. Mud and sand can't easily dissolve in water. We can put out with our hand. Next. It is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Muddy water, mud can't easily be dissolved in water, but we can easily be separate with our hand. Next. Thank you for